G'day guys, today's video is not so much with lawn mowing, showing videos of lawn mowing and hedging. It's about an injury which is called tennis elbow. Okay, what I've found, I've been getting a lot of issues with my elbow here lately in the last couple of months. I found out that it gets a lot worse when I'm whip snippering, going like this. And basically what it was, I got diagnosed by the physiotherapist, and she said to me, no, it's what they call tennis elbow. You have to be a tennis player to get it. It's this repetitive strain injury. That's what it is basically. And with the tennis elbow in regards to here, that's where the image, that's where the soreness is. You know, when you push your hand like that or push it back like that, you'll feel the stretch there and you'll feel the pain. That's basically what we're talking about. And these are the exercises she told me to do before I go out during the day and start doing lawns. Now, unfortunately, this pain's probably not going to go completely, but what I'm going to get a brace or like a strap that goes on here, and specifically for tennis elbow. And the strap's going to go on here, not onto the actual joint. It's going to go here. Apparently, something to do with the muscle. I haven't got it yet, but when I do, I'm going to update this video and do a part 2 and show you the strap and make sure that it actually does the job. So anyway guys, if you ever get a bit of a sore elbow, it is possibly tennis elbow, and just go and see a physio. It's not that much of a big issue and everything else. They'll get you to do exercises like this just to stretch your wrist, to put your elbow that way and stretch it like that way, and put it out like that, and do the same thing. They'll do all these type of exercises, and then basically what it's going to do, it's going to alleviate the pain. It's going to be a lot easier for you to get throughout the day. And the other thing is to, when you get this strap on, she said that you won't find much pain at all, because she had to put it in different places and to do all these stretches to make sure we're getting the right spot where the pain's coming from. So unfortunately guys, doing what we do for a living, whip snipping all day long, your arm's doing that motion all the time, and then when you're going up, it's doing that. It's doing that all the time when you do the vertical edging. So these are the things that are causing tennis elbow. Unfortunately, doing it every day, all day long. And the other thing is too, with the trimmer, you're using it more than the mower. You're using it all day long, just about every job, and you're wheeling that thing around all the time. So it's really important to get a light trimmer to use all day long. Not only for, for injuries, not having injuries type of thing, preventing injuries. It's a lot easier on yourself as well, and you can just go all day long with a lighter trimmer. But anyway guys, just sort of help out with some of those stretching exercises that you can do. And by all means, if you do get the injury, go see someone and get it diagnosed, because apparently there's a lot of different things that people say, yeah, it's tennis elbow, but it probably isn't tennis elbow until it's diagnosed. Sometimes people diagnose it and they say, oh no, it's not tennis elbow, it's this, it's pain here, an injury here, which has gone up the arm and you feel it here. So you've got to get it diagnosed. All right guys, thanks for watching.